Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more update. Today we are explore curved header wave cut using custom shape. Open Photoshop and create a new canvas, then select the custom shape tool and choose a curved wave shape. Draw the wave at the top of the canvas, change fill color to the accent color and duplicate the wave. Flip it vertically using Ctrl plus T, lower the duplicate slightly, change its color to the darker tone. Align both waves cleanly, add heading text below the wave. Adjust spacing carefully, group both wave layers, double click the top wave layer and add subtle drop shadow, then press OK. Zoom out to preview, check each and everything of the project, then press OK. Header cutout looks modern, custom shape.